What up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you being here. Today we're talking about a photo challenge I started to kind of get the creative juices flowing. Let's get into it. During this whole virus and this whole quarantine situation, all of our photography gigs have gone out the window. And of course, there's more important things out there like health and the things that are going on. But in terms of photographers, especially as professional wedding photographers, all of our photography is completely gone for this summer and, who knows how long until it picks back up. So with that being said, a lot of my passions and creativity and the creative outlets has just completely shriveled up and there's been nothing. I haven't taken really a photo in hell, I don't know, a couple months now. Looking at a photography challenge, I said, let's pick a subject. Everyone votes on a subject. Let's go out and take different shots independently and let's put our shots out there and get a little poll going on which shot they like the most. So I got my three good friends involved, Justin, Zaire, and Brandon, who are all professional photographers. And I said, let's get this challenge going. Started talking a little trash, hitting them on the low. Got to get in their mental, got to get them psyched out a little bit. And we're getting started. So this is the photography challenge. We voted on a subject, which is basketball hoops. I didn't come up with that subject. You could really use any lens, any camera, anything goes. Even drones go. I didn't really go there, but I don't know if my buddies did. So drones go. The one rule is no artificial lighting involved. Although I kind of got around that rule a little bit. Once I see the other guys' photos, we're gonna be posting them all on our Instagrams, and then we're gonna start a little poll and get the voting going. So with that being said, I'm gonna get into my photo and how I got my shot and what I was thinking. So when I was coming up with some creative inspiration, I was thinking I can go out and actually go to a basketball court and get some shots, but I thought, I really wanna do something different because I think the other three guys are gonna go do that. And yes, it can come up with some creative shots. I was even thinking about maybe getting a GoPro over the top of the rim or a drone shot or a shot, going through the net, something creative and different. But I kind of wanted some type of movement or action involved in the photo. And with a basketball hoop that's stagnant, it wasn't really a lot of possibilities. So my inspiration came from an old video game that I used to play back in the day that I was the man at. It's called NBA Jam. I know y'all know what that is. You better know what that is. You better not be too young for that. But NBA Jam was my game. Me and Paul Pierce used to just crush. So what I thought was, I want a photo with the symbol that kind of is on the front of NBA Jam. It's like he's on fire and the rim catches on fire and the net catches on fire. That was the inspiration for my shot. I'm thinking of how I'm gonna get that shot. I kind of didn't know what I was gonna do. I know I needed some type of movement, so I thought some type of light that's going through the hoop, but we couldn't have any artificial light. Any external lights involved. Artificial lights. I don't know what the exact terminology was, but we couldn't have any external lights involved. So I thought, what if I got a light up ball, shot it through a hoop on a slow shutter, and then ran it some way like that. That was kind of my mental going into it. So here's the shot that I got, and here's the inspiration that it came from. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I got my shot. These are the items I used to get the shot. Just a little basketball hoop and a light up ball and my Sony a7 III and a little, I think it's a 16-35 lens on there. But those are the items that I got to get my shot. So I actually hung this hoop up on a door and I started taking some shots. And what I really wanted was I wanted the ball lit up to be going through the net and kind of catching a streak of light going through there. But I wanted it kind of swirling around in the bottom of the net. So what I did was I had it on an 8-second shutter at about f16. And I had the ball and I put it through the net with my hand, kind of swirled it around, twisted it around, moved it around a little bit, and then pulled it back out. And these are some of the shots that I got with it. Originally it went off the backboard and in. I kind of thought it was not really getting the shot. I didn't really like the angle, so I raised the camera up a little bit so that it's on the same angle as the hoop. Originally it was a little bit above the camera, but then I kind of just played with the angles a little bit, and then I just kept shooting over and over again on getting the motions that I wanted. And I wanted the ball to look like it was falling from a shot, from a jump shot, going through the net and then swirling around like the net is catching on fire. So that was like my goal with it. Once I thought I got the shot that I kind of liked, I took it into Lightroom, tweaked the colors a little bit. I had it in black and white for a little bit. Didn't really like that because it didn't catch the fire essence that I was going for. So then I played with the colors a little bit, started tweaking things around, and this is the shot I got. Really wanted that swirling around in the net to catch that little fire feeling that it was getting. I don't know if I actually got it. I was gonna do something at sunset. I just thought that's kind of like cheesy and like everyone else is gonna do it. So I just wanted something unique. It's not my favorite shot in the world by any means. It's not like my best work, but it's something fun that I could do with a little toy hoop and a toy ball, and I really love the inspiration behind it because I freaking love NBA Jam. That is my photography challenge. I'm gonna start getting more of these out there because I think they're just fun and innovative and interesting for you guys to see. All right, guys, I appreciate you being here. That's the video. Talk to you soon. Peace. It's a stupid intro, and I really busted my knee. Busted the hell out of my knee just now. Oh, I'm getting old. Oh, that hurt like hell.